together like a beautiful, beautiful. Nitawatama milito, takupa dola na euro. Tomasha tona kasimbo, just for you love, guide to a beautiful, beautiful. Nitawatama milito.
Hi loves, how you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and to all my returning subbies, thank you so much for always coming back. Welcome to yet another vlog. Today is on Saturday. I want to do a little bit of cleaning and I want to do that with you all. So welcome to this vlog. If it's your first time stopping by, kindly hit that subscribe button. I will highly appreciate. And to my returning subbies, una watch too how just subscribe, like, why are you doing this to me? Please take your time and subscribe, comment, engage with my videos. I really do enjoy seeing you guys like comment to my videos. We are communicating, or you're actually active viewers. So yes, today's plan, we are just going to clean the house. I am preparing porridge for my babies. Let me tell you, no one tells you how it is hard to just kama na babysit like 2 toddlers, my daughter and my little cousin, and we have like other 2 under 10 years. Like it is hard. Our watu wanaweza kukula kichwa. The situation of my mom's house at the moment inakaa tu vibaya. Like you have to wash the house each and every single day, and that thing is so hectic. Mtu anaboeka. Thank God tuko na brew. So I wash the house, my brother wash the dishes. So kazi tu inakuwa too easy, otherwise ningekuwa peke yangu. So today's plan, I want to wash my mom's fridge. It has been forever ananiambianga osha fridge, osha, na postpone kila time. Then yeah, basically today we are going to clean the house, do a little bit of refreshments, and then we're done. And then maybe later or tomorrow I'll undo my hair, cause usinione nimevaa hii nimeficha tu mashida, najificha tu mashida zangu huko ndani, cause my hair looks so bad. I'd rather stay with my locks zikiwa tu hivyo plain kuliko hizi vitu. Kwanza ni mzito, first of all ni mzito, then zimebomoka, so zinanibo tu, ziko na joto. Alafu kwetu if unajua Murera, you know joto ni, so I have to do something about that. So I'll just undo my hair, then maybe when I go to town, God willing, I'll buy shampoo and wash my hair, and also buy styling gel and also wax. Yeah, let's get deep into the video. So guys, this is what we'll be using, water and omo, because I don't have any other detergent. I don't want to judge, but I will rinse it with lots of water. So yeah, let me show you the current situation of the fridge, and blame it on me, please. I just finished doing everything and I wanted to end this video right over here. I'm hoping that you guys really enjoyed the video, the vlog, and yeah, let us meet in the next one. And thank you so much for each and every single person who have watched till here. I do appreciate. Let us see each other tomorrow or in the next one. Yeah.